Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, I am just going to discuss how to balance ionic equation in a acidic medium. Okay, so let us take one example. The equation which I have brought to you, which I am going to discuss with you. This is MnO4 1 negative plus SO2. This is converting into Mn2 positive plus HSO4 1 negative, and we have to balance this equation in acidic medium. So one by one I will explain all the steps. Kindly see it properly. So first step, you have to find out the oxidation number of each and every element. Oxygen, that will be of -2, 4 2s are 8 minus 1. Manganese, that we will have +7. Here oxygen is -2, 2 2s are 4. Against it, the oxidation number of sulfur will be of +4. So Mn oxidation number, this is of +2. Now it is of -2. And as we will find out the oxidation state of sulfur here, so how much you will get it, you have to simply, as I am telling, how you have to solve it. HSO4 1 negative, then hydrogen will be +1, sulfur you have to take X, plus -2 whole 4 equal to -1. So X minus 8 plus 1 equal to -1. So we will get there X is equals to 8, and then +1 that goes here, -1 -1. Then we will get there 8 minus 2, that we will get there 6. So oxidation state of sulfur will be plus ka 6. Okay. So now we have to find out where the oxidation and where the reduction is taking place. Okay. So manganese, that is going to be +7 to +2. So it means here the reduction is taking place, that we have to highlight that portion. And if we will talk about sulfur, so that is going to be oxidized here, that is +4 to +6. So here you have to write there oxidation. So half portion of the equation, reduction half and the oxidation half, we will balance one by one. So first I am taking the portion of reduction half. Now in reduction half, what we have to do, first of all we will write there reduced portion MnO4 negative, that is going to convert into Mn2 positive. Okay. So here oxidation state is +2, and here the oxidation number is 7. So how we can move from 7 to 2 when we will add 5 electrons here. So here you have to remember it. To balance the oxidation number, we have to put the number of electron on that side where the oxidation number is present in more amount. Okay. So 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. So oxidation number is balanced. Now in the second step, we have to balance the oxygen. For balancing, we have to put that number of water molecule on its opposite side. So what we will do here in the next step, MnO4 negative plus 5 electron, that you have to write Mn2 positive, plus as 4 oxygen are there, so we will put there 4 H2O. Now 4 2s are 8. Hydrogen is going to be 8 on the next side. So we have to put there, as we are balancing the equation in acidic medium, so 8H positive on left hand side. Now MnO4 1 negative plus 5 electron, that will Mn2 positive plus 4 H2O. Okay. Now we will balance the rest of the portion, oxidation half. So everyone has to see it properly. In oxidation half, what we have to do, the portion which is converting SO2, that is converting into hydrogen sulfate HSO4 1 negative. Here the oxidation state we have got +6, and here is +2 +4. So we will add here 2 electrons to balance the oxidation number. 6 minus 2, we will get there 4 on both sides. Now after that we have to balance the oxygen. Here 2 oxygen and here 4 oxygen. So we have to put here 2 moles of water. So that 2H2O plus SO2, that you have to write HSO4 1 negative plus 2 electrons. Okay. Now Oxygen is balanced, 2 and 2 4, sulfur is 1. Hydrogen we are having here 2 2s are 4, so we have to put 4H. 1H is already here, so we will add there 3H plus ion on the next side. So that we will write in the next step, 2H2O plus SO2 gives HSO4 negative plus 2 electrons plus 3H positive. Okay, now here we are having 2 electrons, but here we are having 5 electrons. So this equation must be multiplied by 2 to bring the same number of electron, and this should be multiplied by 5, okay, before adding of the equation. So you see here what we will do here now. So the first we will get here 16H positive plus 2MnO4 negative plus 10 electrons, that gives 2Mn2 positive plus 8H2O. Now here you will get it 10H2O, 5 2s are 10 plus 5 SO2, that is converting into 5 HSO4 1 negative plus 10 electron plus 3 5s are 15H positive. Now we have to add both the equation in a proper way. So now here we are having 15H, here we are having 16H. So 15 we have to bring and subtract from the 16. So we will get there only H plus ion. Now 10H2O and here 8H2O. So once again 8 you have to bring here. So you will get it 2H2O plus 2MnO4 negative plus 5 SO2 will convert into 2Mn 2 positive plus 5 HSO4 negative. This is okay. Electron to electron we have to cancel properly. So now we have to see is this equation is balanced or not. Okay. Now we are having 2 to the 4 and 1 5H. 5H is already there. Okay. Now let us do the verification. 1 positive charge and 2 negative charge. Okay. And on the right hand side we are having 2 2s are 4 positive and 5 negative. So that you will get it -1 on right hand side, and on the left hand side also +1 -2. So -1. So that we have verified the term that the charge is completely balanced in this equation. You can see it how I have done this. +1, 2 negative, that is 2 2s are 4 positive and 5 negative. Finally we will get there -1 on both the side. I hope you all have got it how the ionic equations are to be balanced in the acidic medium. That's all for today's session.